Hic. Why do hiccups happen? Why can't you stop them? It's your diaphragm. This muscle helps you breathe. Sometimes it suddenly jerks, and your voice box snaps shut. That hic sound is your throat closing fast. Holding your breath can sometimes help stop them. Hiccups are just tiny breathing glitches. What if I told you there's a secret trick? Try drinking water upside down, or swallow a spoonful of sugar. Some people even scare themselves. But remember, it's all about relaxing. If they last too long, see a doctor. So, next time you get a hiccup, don't worry. Just try these fun tricks. And that's why hiccups are so funny. Share this with friends who need to know. Let's beat those hiccups together.